My name is Latasha James, and I have been a social media manager and marketer for the better part of 10 years. This course will give you an inside look at all of the major platforms you'll need to use to manage a social media strategy for yourself, your company, or for your clients, from Twitter to Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. This course is great for anyone who is in a social media management or marketing role, from a community manager to an ad strategist or freelancer. And if you're someone looking to get a job in social media management, we'll be covering that too. I'll be sharing some best practices and some recommendations for portfolio building. And if you're someone who's looking to follow my path and become a freelancer, I will be covering that as well. So don't be shy, let me know who you are and what your goals are with the course.